Welcome to Go Lofty Radar, where we decode the strategies shaping tomorrow's businesses today. Today, we're diving into a transformative concept that's redefining the financial world: tokenization. It's not just a buzzword, it's a paradigm shift that's opening new avenues for startups and investors alike. So, what is tokenization, and why should it matter to you as a founder? Let's explore. Tokenization refers to the process of converting rights to an asset into a digital token on a blockchain. This can apply to various assets, including real estate, art, and notably, company equity. Imagine being able to represent shares of your startup as digital tokens. This approach offers enhanced liquidity, fractional ownership, and the potential for broader investor participation. But tokenization isn't just about digitizing assets. It's about creating a more inclusive and efficient financial ecosystem. In the smart economy, assets are not only digitized but also programmable. Smart contracts enable automated actions, such as dividend distributions or voting rights, based on predefined conditions. This level of automation reduces administrative overhead and increases transparency, making it easier for startups to manage equity and for investors to trust the system. Moreover, tokenization can democratize access to investment opportunities, allowing a wider range of investors to participate in early-stage funding rounds. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, has recognized the potential of tokenization. In March 2024, they launched the BlackRock USD Institutional Digital Liquidity Fund, BUIDL, on the Ethereum blockchain. This fund tokenizes US Treasury bills and repurchase agreements, offering investors a stable, blockchain-based investment vehicle. It's a significant move that signals the mainstream acceptance of tokenized assets. BlackRock's CEO, Larry Fink, has emphasized the importance of tokenization in modernizing financial markets, highlighting its role in enhancing transparency and reducing costs. For startups, tokenization presents an innovative way to raise capital and manage equity. By issuing tokenized shares, startups can facilitate fractional ownership, attracting a broader investor base, enhance liquidity, allowing investors to trade shares more easily, streamline compliance and governance through programmable smart contracts. However, it's crucial to navigate the regulatory landscape carefully, ensuring compliance with securities laws and investor protection standards. Considering tokenizing your startup's equity, here's a step-by-step guide. Legal consultation. Engage with legal experts to understand the regulatory requirements in your jurisdiction. Choose the right platform. Select a tokenization platform that aligns with your needs, such as Securitize or Tokeny. Asset valuation. Determine the value of the equity to be tokenized. Smart contract development. Develop smart contracts that define the terms of the tokenized equity. Investor onboarding. Ensure a seamless process for investors to purchase and manage their tokens. Secondary market access. Facilitate trading of tokens on secondary markets to enhance liquidity. Ongoing compliance. Maintain compliance with regulatory requirements and update smart contracts as needed. The adoption of tokenization is poised to accelerate, with implications across various sectors. Finance. Traditional financial institutions are exploring tokenized assets to improve efficiency and access. Real estate. Property tokenization allows for fractional ownership and increased liquidity. Startups. Emerging companies can leverage tokenization for innovative fundraising and equity management strategies. As the infrastructure and regulatory frameworks evolve, tokenization could become a standard practice in asset management and investment. Tokenization is more than a technological advancement. It's a shift towards a more inclusive and efficient financial system. For startups, it offers new opportunities to raise capital, manage equity, and engage with investors. As we continue to explore these developments at Go Lofty Academy, stay tuned for more insights into how you can leverage emerging trends to scale your startup. Thank you for joining me today. If you have questions or topics you'd like us to cover, reach out at hello@egolofty.io. Until next time, keep innovating.